know this is a little weird sight for y'all, but this is the spare truck we got. And my shed's a little full right now, so got a case of the Feeling Froggy Reikio 61 shot. Nice cake. Not super quick. If you guys want, take a screenshot, watch it. Also got the Multicolored Sky. This has been out for a while. It's only, I think it's what is it, 2-1? Yeah, 2-1. But it's beautiful. I had this on my show last year. Let me see if I can get you guys the thing so you can scan it. There you go. Alright, we're gonna step it up a little bit and show you guys the big boy. If you know, you know. DJ and I were the ones to show people that this were coming in. A couple people already knew it was coming in. Not many people though, before we showed you guys on the live. Yeah, this is a big boy. So this is box C. Here's box A. Box B is over there. When we get over there, we'll show you. Let's go see what we got. Yeah, boom. Box B. She's a big girl. You know, not many cakes come in 3 separate cases. And, you know, we had to show people a little something something. I think this is probably the most unique cake of 2026. There's, besides Big Bird. Big Bird's on it's similar, but the firing pattern of this is what makes it unique, because it starts off as a finale cake, and then it goes into, I don't know if you want to call them circle shells or a jellyfish shell. I don't know how you want to describe that, but the shells in this are super nice as well. And then everybody's seen the ending on that, but there's not one of them. All right, we'll get back to the shed now. Here, this is a small boy. We still got some of these silly rabbits in. These are new for this year. 16 shots. I lit one of them. It was beautiful. Let's just say I should have been a little bit smarter and put something on the side of it. Mad Hatter, 200 shots. This is new for this year. Haven't really seen that many demos of it. There's a couple I've seen. They were 250 plus feet away, and I thought these were actually decent sized breaks for what it is. I'm gonna probably put it towards the end of like my smaller cakes. Keep on trucking. Same concept. These actually, I think the Keep on Trucking has a little bit bigger bore size, not by much, if it is bigger at all. A couple 100-shot cakes in here. Trust nuns. These are nice. Nothing fancy, but good for the little part of the show. Smaller stuff. Captain America Civil War, 42 shot. It's similar to the Deadpool cake, but I don't know, I like the colors in both of them. We got the new one, the One Eye Willie. I like the pace on this. A little faster pace. Good breaks, loud. Salute finish. DJ's got a demo video of this. If you guys haven't seen it, I would go check it out. Beautiful cake. I honestly wasn't sure if I was going to grab it until I saw his video of it. And his video did it justice, so I decided I was going to grab it. Fire in the Sky. This is a new one for this year as well. This was actually really nice. It's super loud. A lot of color. The Gooks, Gawks, however you guys want to call it, whatever it is. I got a couple of those. Got the Reikio. This is the Feeling Froggy, 61 shots. So I'll show you guys what this does. there you go. You know, MTKs, Marvel's Revenge, Master Bugs, Archangels. You got an OnlyFans down here. Nothing it wasn't anything fancy, but it's got, I think, 1-inch bores, maybe 1.2-inch bores. Nice for the middle part of the show. This is not a Trump cat. No, this is not a Trump cat. This is a Midnight Horror by Iron Claw. I'll see if I can find a demo video for you guys of this, because I do not have one, and I'm probably not going to light the only one that I have for the demo video, because it's going to my show. Beautiful cake. It's a 2-1 compound. Beautiful, though. Got the Hysteria assortment. 4 100-shot cakes. AG posted a video, and I'm pretty sure his girl Reckless also posted a video of these. What we got? The Patriot 9s. Hopefully this weekend I can do a little demo of these. Get another demo of those out for you guys. This is back to the stuff. Some of the stuff you guys have already seen. You got the Blueberry, the Frankenberry. Got a couple ha-has. Some more Silly Rabbits. Well, Nelly, MTK, Battle Royale, Deadpool. This is all stuff that's going in the personal show this year, right here. Neon Sky. Had to. That's all we gotta say about those. Camilla Creeper. So what I can tell you guys about my show this year is I'm doing Carmella Creeper probably on the left, Frankenberry on the right. Those two are going to fire initially first, probably 2 to 3 seconds before I fire Blueberry, only because I want Blueberry to finish off the 3 cakes together. I like the ending on Blueberry better than I like Frankenberry and Camilla Creeper. Got a couple blings. Couple cases of these left for myself. The local 9s. Oh, man. Got the Goosebump shells up here. Tomahawk Rockets. Some Romping Willows. More Tomahawks. Straight Whistling Neutrino. Instance. I got 3 of these going up. I'm not going to tell you when they're going up, but they're going up in the show. We're going to get to the big boys. Baba Yaga, 200 shots. Deej and I also showed you guys the demo of this when it first came out for this year. This is probably one of the better 200 shot cakes I personally feel this year that came out. Like it. What we got underneath? Incredible Hulk 2.0. I'm pretty sure AG just posted a video of this, another demo of this. Beautiful cake. I'm glad I grabbed it, was able to grab it. The Wild, this is a Reikio compound. Beautiful, it was new for this year. Some different, unique effects in this one. Nice little show in a box type cake. Got the Prey. This is probably my most anticipated cake for this year. But I'm personally more excited to light this than all my other cakes, to be honest with you. So yeah, that's going up in the 4th. We got the Drip. I think I'm going to do this for the finale underneath a lot of the big bores. I'm hoping that it doesn't go too high, but you know, we got some of the 4-inch babies that are going to be going up with it, so we should be good. Massive Sky Orange, had to grab one of those. The orange in this cake is beautiful. I haven't seen orange that's as vibrant as this in a firework in a while, honestly. It always looks more like peachy to me, or yellowish. I had to go with the Optimus, boys. One for each miss. It's a peanut cake. Scooped one of these bad boys as well. I didn't really have that many willows, so yeah. Everybody's seen some of the big boars. That's really the only new big boar that I got. We got the Nookie over here, the double FUCK, big Buddha, big subwoofer, the Beast. Those will all be going up in the show as well this year. That's about it, guys. You know, there's my stash. That might be a couple more things added this year, but those will be a surprise if they're coming or not. You guys will know right before the 4th if they land or not. So have a good one, Pyros.